There comes a moment in life when you have to face yourself honestly and ask the hard question, have I really grown up, or am I just getting older? Growing up isn't just paying bills or turning 30. It's about maturity, accountability, and personal evolution. And if you feel stuck, lost, or like life is passing you by, it's time to stop waiting. It's time to grow up. This advice won't feel soft, but if you're brave enough to hear it, it could change your life forever. First, stop blaming. Your parents, your boss, your past, they may have shaped you, but they don't get to define you anymore. Grown-ups don't hand over their power to others. They take radical responsibility. Because here's the truth. You are not responsible for what happened to you, but you are 100% responsible for how you respond now. If your life isn't where you want it to be, don't ask, whose fault is it? Ask, what can I do next? That question changes everything. Here's something no one tells you. Growth isn't exciting. It's uncomfortable. It means waking up earlier when you want to sleep in. It means saying no to people who drain you. It means doing the right thing when no one's watching. Grown-ups don't chase convenience. They chase discipline because they know short-term pain creates long-term freedom, while short-term pleasure creates long-term regret. You want to grow? Do one thing every day that makes you uncomfortable. That's how mental muscles are built. Another sign it's time to grow up? Stop waiting for approval. You don't need someone to tell you you're ready. You don't need a sign from the universe. You just need to start. Start showing up. Start building skills. Start creating the future you keep talking about. Children wait to be told. Adults take initiative, even when they're scared. Here's the secret. Growing up is not a one-time event. It's a daily decision. Every day you choose, am I going to avoid this or face it? Am I going to numb the pain or learn from it? Am I going to stay the same or evolve? No one is going to grow for you. No book, video, or coach can do it for you. They can guide, inspire, encourage, but you have to climb. So if you're tired of feeling stuck, if you're done blaming, waiting, avoiding, then here's your call. Grow up. Not someday. Not when it's easy. Now. Make the hard choices. Speak your truth. Take the step. Because that version of you you've been dreaming of, they're already out there, waiting for you to become them. Subscribe to The Growth Theory for more real, honest life advice that helps you evolve every single day. Drop a comment below with the one thing you're choosing to change today, and share this with someone who needs that final push to grow.